Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, you're very welcome. My name is Lola, but you can call me Cat Eye. You already know the vibes. So today I'm here with you guys in my most natural state and my most natural form. Oh my god, my face looks so flat. But yes, today I'm going to be teaching you guys how to make a glow body oil, and this is something you can use for yourself. You can decide to brand. Probably if you're already into the cosmetics business, you just need like a recipe to like add on or something to improve your skill already. This video is definitely for you. Do not forget to hit that subscribe button and give this video a huge thumbs up. So this oil I'm showing you guys how I make. I actually use it for myself, but before now I was using more of a brightening oil. So like the ingredients I used for the oil I was using before was just slightly different from this one, but this is more of a glow oil. So like since I was using a brightening oil, I more like reached my goal, the desired goal I wanted for my skin, and then I stopped using that one, and now I made a glow oil for my skin. So yeah, this is what my skin looks like. Oh Lord. But yeah, this is what my skin looks like. I did not apply anything on my body, just my face. I did my regular morning routine, and then I've applied sunscreen like 3 times today already. Yeah, so yeah, let me show you what the oil looks like. So if you want to know more about this oil, definitely keep on watching. So this is what the oil looks like after everything, after preparation and every single thing. This is what it looks like. It has this orangey, is it orange? It's just more like an orange color. But yeah, I'm going to be sharing with you guys how I made this oil, and I'm also going to drop the recipe at the end of this video, so you definitely want to watch this video till the end. The way I like to formulate my products, I like to formulate my products from the scratch. I'm not so much of a pro mixing queen, I'm more of a formulator. So I make my products from the scratch. I make sure my products, my ingredients, everything is like 100%, because I want the best. Yeah, I want the best for my skin, so I don't exactly pro mix my product. If you want to see how we achieve this oil, definitely keep on watching.
I'm gonna tell you that I love you 100 times a day. You'll get tired of my voice, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I'll miss you. I'll miss you if you go. Yes, I'm gonna let you know just how much I tell your mama, I tell your papa too. I'm gonna let everyone know about my love, so I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too. I'm gonna tell you, I'm gonna tell you that I need you. I need you every day. You'll get weary of my touch, that's how much I'm gonna tell you that I want you. I wanna let you know, oh, you're the only one for me, no one else. I'm gonna shout it out, yeah, up on the mountaintop. I'm gonna let everyone know about my love, so I really hope you love me too. Yeah, I really hope you love me too. Oh, there's something deep inside, yeah, that.
So what I like to do, I like to write out all my ingredients and the percentage at which I want to add to my product or my mixture. So normally when you're formulating products, you want to make sure everything sums up to 100. So I try to make sure everything sums up to 100, whether I'm using all raw materials or I'm using raw materials as well as over-the-counter products.
They wanna kiss you.
So now I'm going in with my sunflower oil. I already calculated this earlier. I'm trying to get a 200-gram worth of products. Now I'm adding my jojoba oil. Mind you, the percentage at which I use this products will be at the end of the video, so make sure you watch till the end so you can get the recipe. Now I'm adding my beauty series oil in the gram at which I calculated, and then comes a good stir. You want to stir that together just so everything mixes together. And now I'm adding my star clear oil. Yeah, so at this point my measuring scale started messing up, so I had to stick with using my discretion. So yeah, that's why my measuring scale was not there anymore, but don't worry, don't judge me. These products are for myself, so I'll be fine. So you really want to give that a good stir. Now I'm adding my lavender essential oil, and I added about 10 to 15 drops of this into my mixture, and then my propylene glycol, just so my product works better and faster. And then I'm transferring to my storage bottles, and I'm using a funnel just so I don't have a messy job and mess everywhere up. So a funnel makes the work way easier. So yeah, so pretty much this is it. I hope this is helpful. Do not forget to like this video and subscribe, and if you get to make yours, let me know how it goes. If you have any difficulties and if you have any suggestions as to a video you want to see, let me know in the comment section and I'll do well to revert. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll catch you guys. The best way to apply this product is straight out of the bath, like when you just took a shower, and you don't want to dry your body completely because you want this like sort of hydration in your skin. So it's best to apply the oil almost immediately after you have a shower, so you don't have to wait till your body's completely dry before you apply. But my body is already completely dry because I already showered, and yeah, because I had to make this for you guys. So yeah, I already showered, but regardless, I'm just going to show you guys how I apply it and how it looks like, because we want to see what it looks like on the skin and what the skin would feel like after. So how I like to apply my oil, I like to shake it. Just so everything mixes together, because you know it's cosmetic products, sometimes the ingredients might tend to separate. I don't know, for some reason, but you just have to shake it. So we're gonna shake well. And then I'm gonna take some drops of this oil. Smells good. And this is what it looks like. So let's apply here and let's see what it's like. I think I applied quite a lot. So I like an oil for my skin because it just makes my skin glow. Oil makes your skin look better, and the oil is, some people prefer oils to cream, some people prefer creams to oils. I'll say I like both. I'm indifferent. I can't say one is better than the other. So personally, I'm fine with my oils because personally I feel oils do a better job at moisturizing and making my skin glow. So personally I prefer oils, and I'm not exactly the type to buy oils over the counter, just because I'm kind of like a DIY person. So if I can make it, why do I have to go buy at such an expensive rate from a particular brand when I can make it myself? Yeah, but this, I'm talking about like products that are easy to make, like a glow oil. So yeah, this is what this side looks like with the oil. This is what this side looks like without the oil. Can you see how this side looks dry, but this looks more shiny and moisturized? So yeah, this is what my skin looks like after applying the oil. It gives me a more blended tone and more shiny and glossy and glowing skin.